Alright, y'all. So today we are making chocolate chip peanut butter bars. For this, we have some flour, got some chocolate chips, some brown sugar, an egg, get that on camera, an egg, some butter, some vanilla extract, and some creamy peanut butter. But before we get to making this recipe, we're on the road to 500 subscribers, so if you want to learn a new recipe every week, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and let's get to cooking. So first things first, we need to melt half a cup of butter. Alright, y'all, so we got that half a cup of butter melted. We're going to take a tablespoon of vanilla extract. We're going to take 1 cup of packed brown sugar. We're going to take 1 egg. A heaping half a cup, which just means you can do more than half a cup, it doesn't need to be exact, of peanut butter. As long as you got a half a cup, we're good to go. We're going to take 1 cup of flour. Now we're going to go ahead and get this well blended together. Now we're going to fold in 1 cup of chocolate chips. Now we are going to fold these in. Now I have an 8x11 baking dish here. Now I'm going to spread this out evenly in this baking dish. Then once we have this spread out evenly in our baking dish, we're just going to go ahead and take more of those chocolate chips and just kind of sprinkle them on. Not too thick. Just a few sprinkles. Now we have the oven preheated to 350 degrees. We're going to throw these in there for 20 to 25 minutes. At that point, I'll bring you back. Alright, y'all, so cook for 20 to 25 minutes. While it's soft, I'm going to go ahead and cut this into bars. Now we're just going to let this cool down completely. At that point, I'll bring you back. Alright, y'all, there you have it. Chocolate chip peanut butter bars. If you like this recipe, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe button down below. There's a video over here that YouTube thinks you should watch. And until next time, keep on cooking on.